Hello friends and welcome to our YouTube channel once again. So let me just quickly get done with the disclaimer that all the videos, all the analysis that I am doing on the screen is strictly for educational purpose only, and I do not recommend any buy or sell signal on any particular stock or any particular security. So before making any investment decision, do consult with your financial planner or stockbroker. Okay, saying that, let's just go ahead and do our analysis for today. So, as you will be well aware from the title of the video itself, that it is a analysis of the insider trading report that is publicly available on the NSE's website, and this report gets updated on a daily basis. So that's why we have to do this analysis on a daily basis too. So I'll not waste much more time and let's just quickly go ahead and start. Okay, so as you can see on my computer screen that I'm currently on the NSE's website homepage. I'll scroll down and locate the corporate announcement section right here. I'll scroll down a little bit more and click on the view all here. Okay, once we have reached here, now next I have to scroll down a little bit and locate the insider trading tab right here, as we are trying to analyze the insider trading report that is publicly available. So I'll click on the insider trading tab. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and put the link in the description box below, so you could just click that and that link will redirect you to this page. So once you have done that, now as you can see in this particular column there are multiple time frames, but since the aim of doing this analysis is to make a watch list for my swing trading, so that's why I'm going to analyze the report for 3 months only. So let me just quickly go ahead and select the time frame as 3 months. Once the data gets refreshed, I have to just click on this download button and it will download an Excel file which you can access from your downloads folder, whatever you are using, PC or computer, PC or laptop, whichever it is. So let me just quickly download it. It will be downloaded in an Excel format. Okay, once it has downloaded, I'll open the file and it will open an worksheet. Okay, so the worksheet has opened. As you can see, the date on the title of this worksheet is mentioned that it is from 9th of August to 9th of October. That makes it exactly 3 months. Okay, so as you can see, it is a quite big worksheet for some of us. So we don't have to worry. We don't have to crunch each and every detail present in this worksheet. So this analysis takes place in 3 layers. The first layer would be filtering this particular worksheet, and it has subparts. This first layer also has subparts. So okay, so the first process of filtering, the first subpart to be precise, would be that I only want the symbols or names of those stocks in which the promoters or promoter groups have made a position. Let me just quickly widen this E column, which is named as category of persons, and you would find that which particular category of person have increased their stake or decreased their stake in the company. So I only want promoter or promoter group. I don't want immediate relatives or director or employee, etc., etc. I just want promoter and promoter group as my category of person. So let me just quickly go ahead and delete all the rows which does not contain promoter or promoter group as one of their entries. So alt touch delete rows, yeah. Okay, now the next subpart for the first filtering process is to the second part. The second subpart would be that I only want the mode of acquisition. As you can see in the S column, the mode of acquisition, it should only contain market purchase, nothing else. I only want market purchase as the mode of acquisition. So let me just quickly go ahead and delete all the rows which contains otherwise. So okay, once done that, once I have done that, now I'll remove all the filters. I don't need them anymore. Okay, now the third subpart for our filtering would be I don't want all the columns. As you can see, there are 9 or 10 columns as of now, but I don't want all the columns for my further analysis. So I just want two columns, namely the symbol column and the value of security column, as they have been selected in the worksheet. Okay, why I'm considering the value of security, let me just give you a short answer for this, that I want to study the actual flow of money in the market, and that's why I'm considering the value of security. So let me just quickly go ahead and delete all the columns except those two. Okay, once I've done that, let me just quickly widen the symbol column. Okay, as you might notice that these fifth and sixth row are repeated. The just dial row is repeated. They are coming twice in my list. So I don't want this redundancy in my data. I want a consolidated form of data to simplify my analysis. So I will just use the consolidation tool of Excel, and I'll select the table which I want to get consolidated. I'll add this. I want the top and left column. I'll click OK. Okay. So the last and final sub part of the first layer of filtering is the fourth. This is the I'm not maintaining a record of the series, but it is, I guess it's the fourth sub filter. So okay, so the fourth sub filter would be that I only want names or symbols of those stocks which have a value of security of greater than 1 crore. So I'll just quickly apply the filter in this column and sort it from largest to smallest and delete all the company which have a value of security less than 1 crore associated with them. Okay, once I have done that, I'll copy this whole list down, and I will now move to our insider trading master sheet that I maintain. Again, if you guys want to know that how I made this master sheet from scratch, this insider trading master sheet from scratch, then you should definitely go out and check out my playlist of trading on insider information. I will put on the link of in the description box below. Also, you could see that in the I button in the top right corner of your screen right now. Okay, so let me just paste the symbols that I have copied. Okay, I'll just explain why the color of the filling of the cells changed suddenly just as soon as I copied the list down. Uh, okay, why does it? Okay, just ignore the fact that the filling changed. I'll just explain it in a moment. Okay, so see, as I said in the starting of the video itself, that I have to do this analysis on a daily basis because this insider trading report gets updated on a daily basis. So now, as you can see in the list, that there are almost 98 or 99 stocks, but it's not feasible for us to do the analysis of 93 stocks on a daily basis. So that's why it becomes crucial to maintain a master sheet. This master sheet tells me that for which stocks I have already done the analysis. Again, this leads to the second part of our filtering, second layer of filtering. As I previously mentioned, that there are three layers of filtering. The first layer we have completed, it contained 4 subparts, and the second layer is this. Second layer, we are heading on to the second layer. Okay, so that's why I have attached a conditional formatting in this Excel sheet that tells me that for which stocks I have already done the process. The second layer of filtering I have done. So let me just quickly go ahead and select all the data. Okay, let me just quickly delete. Okay, I'll select all the data from here to here, and then I'll select this and I'll apply conditional formatting to highlight the cells which have duplicate values. Let me just custom format it and fill it with say I'll use light blue today. Okay, so as you guys can see that for all these stocks, I have done the analysis beforehand, and there are no new stocks today for which I have to do the analysis further. So again, let me just give you a quick tip. It's not more of a tip, but let me just tell you that this analysis takes patience. You would not find new stocks every day. It's not like every day if you do the analysis you will get 10 or 15 stocks. It's not like that. It takes patience. Okay, so even if there are stocks in my list, then again I have to check it has to pass the three filters. The first filter it has passed, the second filter it has to pass, in which I check the shareholding patterns of promoter, then encumbrance details, then SAS regulations, etc., etc. That is the second layer of this particular analysis. And last one, if it passes the second filter too, then the third filter is that I check the daily average traded volume, which gives me a hint of liquidity risk, and I also check the um, date of allotment of the shares to the promoters. That is a crucial point, because the from the date of allotment, I check how the price moved of that particular stock since the day the stock was allotted to the promoters, whether it has moved too much, or whether it is no, whether it has come down, or whether it is moving in a particular plus minus 3% range. So if you guys want to know that analysis, the third layer of analysis, then you should definitely go out and check the fourth part of my playlist, trading on insider information. I'll put on the link of the part 4 in the description box below, as well as you can see that on the I button in the top right corner of your screen. Okay, so as you can see that there are no new stocks as of today, so I don't have to do the analysis further. So that's all for today. And if you guys like that, I am not just telling you the methods that how to do the analysis, I am also telling you, I am actually doing the whole analysis from scratch. Then and if you are getting even a little bit benefited from my analysis, then please do like, share and subscribe my